to a day in my life. This is December 4th, and let's get ready and go. Ho, ho, ho. So today I am off from work, and it's been a long time actually since I've been off like all day. So today I just wanted to walk you through like a day in my life. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm home alone today, so it's gonna be a good day. And I'm just editing today. I have a lot of work to do. VLOGMAS is a lot of work, so I'm like, oh, I gotta edit a lot. Wow, what are all these? Okay. I actually really am enjoying myself so far this year. And I honestly want to make a tutorial on how to edit. Even though like I'm not a professional, I feel like I needed someone like that was really just easy to follow along with. Just do a quick little video of showing you my handmade folklore cardigan. So I know how to crochet, but when I saw cardigan pattern and stuff, I was like, that's gonna take me quite a long time. So instead I went to Target and found this little sweater. So I'll like link it down below so you guys can go buy your own. Here it is. It looks like this, except it doesn't have these lines around it. Obviously I crocheted those on. It just is a white plain sweater with a hanger, and then it has that cute little Christmas tree design. So at the beginning when I got it, I was like, okay, so I looked inside of the sweater. It has like this little, like you can see that the design is like, I'm not sure, like you could either cut it off or, but I got a little nervous, didn't want to ruin the whole sweater. So I was like, well, this side will be fine like this. I will do the other side, the folklore cardigan. I still have some string hanging down here. I guess I need to cut those. So I started out with my embroidery needle, and I basically embroidered the sleeves like this. See both of them, and I did the collar, and then I did the bottom, and then after that I decided that I wanted to do like the whole look. So I wasn't sure if I should either cut the cardigan as like a v-neck, but then I thought that will just not be a good idea. I'd probably mess it up. So then I found 3 little buttons. I sewed these on here, and then I did the line here of like the folklore cardigan. And here it is, which actually, speaking of that, I need to go cut out the little, I want to do a little folklore patch, and then I want to do 3 stars in here. I feel like I should do it on my CRICUT. So actually, should we go do that right now? I think I want to do the folklore album patch, and then I want to do, how many stars are on it? Is it 3, I believe? Okay, I think this will work. Okay. Now this, confirm. Ah, wow, why did they put it on different pages? Okay. Oh, I like it. Look, here it is. Okay. Once it cuts it, it should take the bleed off and it should look better. I hope. Paper. Just do like paper minus, I guess. But that's paper. Hey, so tonight we are going to the orchard near my house. It's like 10 minutes away. It's like Christmas thing, they decorate, Santa's there, there's hot chocolate, all that vibe. And I'm just getting ready, get my warm clothes on, pretend like it is full snowy winter in Las Vegas, and let's go see some Christmas lights, everybody. Look at my room. I love it in here. Even though my lights are not on right now and I pulled them down like 50 times, but so cute. Bye. Okay, let's go to the Gilcrease Orchard. I'm putting on my hat. Let's pretend it's not 80 degrees in Las Vegas. And here we go. Looking all cute. All my family's matching hats tonight, so we're all gonna be super cute together. And let's go get in the car. We're ready. Oh, it is so dark in here. I did not realize you cannot see. There's my family. They did not know I'm recording. And here we're going. It's about a 10-minute drive. There are all the pretty arches, all the lit up lights. It looks so nice. I cannot wait. We go here every year and have been for a few years, so I'm excited. Let's walk on in and let's party. What do I want for Christmas? Eras 4 tickets.